Yo guys, welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. This is IFB Crew, ready with some new footage for you. We are at an depot for abandoned trains right now. I don't know if there's much to see, but we got this location, thought it was pretty sweet, so
yeah. Why not?
So we decided to give it a look. We'll show you what we find. Might not be much, but it's something different this time. We hope you enjoy this video. We'll see ya.
At least we can try.
Yeah. I hope they don't catch too much of the windy noise on the camera now.
Probably, yeah.
Whoa! Look at all them trains. Oh. See, we've been here 2 minutes and I nearly broke my foot. Oh, hang on. I just wanna... Something in here? Tell me if you see something, guys. Because I literally don't.
Tell me. I mean, if we edit it, we are gonna see it too, so...
Yeah, true. Yeah, sorry, I'm not the smartest one, okay? I admit. Shh. Don't say it.
You just played yourself.
Don't I always? Oh, this is awesome.
That's nice.
Yeah. I don't think it still dries.
No, but I think this one is even better.
Oh, yeah. God damn it, second time I almost broke my foot. How long have you been here?
Around 5 minutes?
This is nice.
I don't think this one dries anymore.
I don't think so. But it's awesome to see though.
All the rest.
It's awesome to see. Right?
Yeah. I mean, it's not creepy or anything.
No.
Just nice.
Still nice though. It's...
Yeah, just exploring, you know.
Yeah, I'd rather do the haunted stuff too.
I mean, this is nice for a change, but...
Yeah, but I feel like we've been doing a lot of random explorings lately.
Exploring, yeah.
I feel like there's not enough haunted buildings around us.
We are in Belgium, so...
Yeah.
No.
We're not gonna keep disappointing you guys. We're gonna do haunted stuff surely. Someday. Again.
We hope.
We hope.
We hope so.
We're praying as much as you do. What?
Yeah, I think...
Looks like an engine. I'm filming the engine and I can randomly see like the front of your face in front of the camera, like It's like camera bump leveling.
What's up, guys?
Awesome. What's that? Oh.
You sure you're gonna do this?
Yeah. Just one. We're not breaking anything. Just looking. That's it. Just a fast look. There's like no benches or anything in here. So. Oh yeah, there are benches. Yeah. Wave through the window. There's only one.
I did like the piece,
Don't do the peace sign. Okay. Stupid ass. I'm just gonna watch out that I don't break anything from the train, not from me.
Yeah, yourself.
I don't really care about myself. So I can't get in trouble with the law for breaking myself.
But that's the problem. You don't care about yourself, but it's not gonna be easy if you break something. But I have to drag you out of this.
Dude, I will skip. I will just skipple.
Skipple. What the fuck is Skipple?
I don't know, but it reminds me of that episode from The Simpsons, you know, where Ralph goes, Prince Skipple, Skipple. Do it!
No.
Pussy? You can't, can you?
What? Do what?
You can't do the balance.
No.
You're an asshole. Whoa! Ah! Gotcha.
I wasn't doing that.
I wasn't. You're such a pussy, man. Honestly. Jump. Hoppity hop.
Hoppity hop. Skipple hoppity hop. You're just something else, you know that.
Yay! Whee! Yeah, now I know what they mean by vandalizing.
Yeah.
This train practically vandalized itself. Look at the state of this thing.
What the?
Holy shit. How old is this? Uh-oh, black cat. The cat can balance better than you can.
I'm not that great in balancing, I know that, but...
No, seriously, how old is this thing? Confetti gonna... Party poopers. Poppers. Poppers. Party poppers. Okay guys, Reno was right because literally 5 seconds before I turned the camera back on, I twisted my other ankle while getting stuck behind these things. Fuck, I hate myself. Don't laugh with the uncoordinated. Don't.
Yeah.
So we're back on the other
Solve that.
Yeah. So we're back on the other side, filming the part that you didn't get to see yet. Can we go through there? Because this is just like one wagon. My feet literally hurt now. Yeah, that's funny, isn't it?
Smell the oil.
Yeah. Good thing videos don't have smell.
I mean, we smelled worse things in the factory.
The chemical waste burning factory, yeah.
That was a
The-
lot worse.
Yeah. Yeah. That's cool. Some doors are still open, but I'm not going inside, I'm just sticking the camera in. Yeah. It's cool. So this is one of our... This is only the second video by daylight. Well, not daylight. Third? Really? Which one else? Can't remember.
We got the abandoned orphanage.
Yeah?
This one. And the electrodes.
Oh yeah, the electrodes, yeah, but that's not exploring. That's like a stupid challenge. Yo, this train has a really nice color though.
You just said video by daylight,
Oh,
not exploring video.
Alright, sorry. It's got a nice color, isn't it? I'd like that on my car later. Alright. So, this was the train depot. We hope you like this video. It's not really excited, but it was still sweet to see.
Just exploring, you know.
Yeah. Did like the trains though. It's nice to see.
Yeah.
Anyways, we hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe for future content. And if you have any ideas on where we should go next, or you see something we didn't see, leave it downstairs in the comments.
See something we didn't see. I mean,
yeah, maybe not here. I don't know.
What will they see?
Okay, that was just totally random. Anyways,
Yeah.
okay, if you have any suggestions for the future, then let us know downstairs in the comments. See you guys. Bye bye.